Hey everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, storage is almost full, or you keep getting low disk space warnings, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your C drive in Windows 11 using only built-in tools. No third-party software, no risky apps, just safe and effective methods that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll free up storage space and possibly improve your system performance as well. Now, let's jump right in. Windows creates temporary files all the time while running programs. These files are meant to be temporary, but many of them stay behind and just take up space. Don't worry, we're not touching anything important. First, right-click on the Start button and choose Run. You can also press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type temp. Then click OK. If it asks for permission, click Continue. A folder will open. These files are temporary and Windows does not need them anymore, but many of them stay behind and just take up space. Now select everything inside this folder. Press Ctrl plus A or simply drag to select all files. Then press Shift plus Delete button to permanently remove them. If it asks for permission, click Continue. If some files can't be deleted, that's normal. They are currently being used by the system. Just click Skip and Continue. Now, close that folder. Open the Run box again, and this time type %temp%. Then click OK. Another folder will open. Repeat the same process. Select all files and delete them. Skip any files that cannot be removed. Once done, close the folder. That's it for temporary files. Many people forget this step. When you normally delete files, they are not actually removed from your computer. They go to the recycle bin, and they still use space on your C drive. If you haven't emptied it in a while, it could be holding several gigabytes of data. Go to your desktop and open Recycle Bin. Click Empty Recycle Bin at the top. Confirm the action. If it asks for permission, click Continue. And just like that, you've recovered more storage space. Make it a habit to check this regularly. Another big space-saving method is removing software you don't need. Go to Settings, go to Apps. Then Installed Apps. Open it. You'll see a list of all installed apps and software. Scroll through the list and look for programs you never use. Old games, trial software, suspicious apps you don't recognize. To uninstall something, click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Then uninstall them. If it's a regular desktop program, it may open its own uninstaller. Just follow the instructions. Removing unnecessary programs can free a large amount of space, especially if you've been using your PC for a long time. Now, let's use another built-in cleaning tool. Go to Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it. If you have multiple drives, choose your C drive. After scanning, you'll see a list of file categories you can remove. These may include temporary files, thumbnails, system error reports, recycle bin files. Select the items you want to delete. I will select all of them. Then click OK. Confirm by clicking Delete Files. This will remove leftover junk files that are not needed anymore. Now, let's set up automatic cleanup. Open Settings. Go to System, then click Storage. Find Storage Sense and turn it on. Storage Sense automatically removes temporary files and cleans up unnecessary data over time. You can also click on it and adjust how often it runs. For example, every week, every month, when storage is low. This helps keep your C drive clean without doing everything manually. Run it once here, and it will automatically run a cleanup. And that's it. These are the safest and most effective ways to clean your C drive in Windows 11 without installing any extra software. If you follow these steps regularly, your system will stay cleaner, faster, and more organized. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to FixSoft. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.